Hello guys, welcome back to my how-to channel. In this guide, I'll show you how to fix Roblox error code 292 low memory warning on iPhone and iPad. If you ever get this warning, what you want to do is leave the experience where you got this error, because if you don't, it can mess with your memory state in the experience. So after you have done that and you have rejoined the experience, what you want to do is select the Roblox icon in the top left corner. From here, you want to select settings at the top and you want to scroll down on this page until you find graphics quality. So what you want to do is turn down the graphics as much as possible. This is going to reduce the memory load on your device and you may no longer experience that issue. Now, something else you can also do is close any other application you have on your phone. So if you're running multiple games like Minecraft, for example, be sure to close that, and that will reduce the memory on your device as well. Now, beyond that, some other things you could do is use a different device. It may just be that you are using an older device and it's having difficulties keeping up, as well as you could try restarting it to see if that fixes your issue as well. So that's it. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe to my how-to channel.